Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on the developer options, and a quick disclaimer: if you do not have the developer options in your device in the system and updates, no worries, it's quite normal. I highly recommend to get back to the About Phone section right here and keep tapping on the software version section. It should be basically almost at the top. You will find it for sure. Keep tapping and then you will open the developer options. Let's enter the developer options, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. And basically, in my case, this option is turned on. Probably you will have it turned off, so simply tap on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So remember about that. You don't have to manually update your device, however, remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.